Hey there, and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to add custom code to your Webaza website. You can do this a couple different ways. If you have a third-party widget that you need installed directly onto the web page itself, I'll show you how to do it. So go ahead and add a new section and click on Elements. And then you'll see Raw all the way over on the right. Click that. So I'm going to install an Instagram widget with the hashtag vacation and hashtag tropical. Since this is a traveling site, I want to show people travel destinations through Instagram. So I'm going to go ahead and edit the widget. Instead of using any of the pre-installed ones, I'm just going to click code. We're going to remove all this placement code. We're going to paste in our widget. And then click Save. With some third-party widgets, they don't show up right away. Since your website automatically saves, sometimes you have to reload the page, but that's okay. All your changes are saved, and the widget should show up. But it showed up without having to reload the page. And these are popular tropical vacation destinations. The other way to add custom code to your website is to use the page widget function. There's a bunch of pre-installed widgets already, but if you want to customize it, add JavaScript or CSS to modify your site, all your code's going to go here. Go ahead and erase the placement code. And then you can write either your JavaScript or your CSS. Now this is a code editor. So if you put something in there that's not going to run on your website, you'll see an X over here in the corner. You can place both the JavaScript and the CSS script into the same media widget. You don't have to separate it. It'll read the script first, and then it'll read the style second. So let me go ahead and show you a really good example of this on our own website. So here's the Webaza website, made with the Webaza website editor. Now when you open up the menu, you'll notice the icon. This actually isn't a part of the Webaza website editor. I actually had to write some JavaScript and CSS for this icon to show up in the pop-out menu. I'll show you what the code looks like. Go to General Settings, Page Widgets, and I've already written some custom code. So here's the script source itself. This takes an element off of the page and puts it within that slide out menu. And here's the CSS that sizes it and positions that icon on the slide out menu. Now for example, if you take out the beginning style tag, it's going to give you an error because there's no opening tag. You just have the closing tag. So that makes your CSS invalid. So let me go ahead and put the style open tag back in. It'll automatically give you a close tag, but you can just erase that since we already have one. And boom, your CSS is now valid again. But this is a good example of how the editor works, how you can hard code stuff into the page, and how you can stylize your website and customize it the way you want it. Now that is just a page widget, so it'll only show up on this page. So if you want this to show up on every page, or you want your customization to show up on every page, you have to place that code in every page using the exact same steps I just showed you. General Settings, Page Widget, hit Custom, and add your custom code. You can also customize any of the pre-installed widgets as well. Let's go ahead and install the loader, page loader. We're going to customize it. So if you know what you're doing and you know how to code, you can change the parameters of this widget in order to customize it so it matches your website exactly. I will say be careful when you're customizing any code. It could cause errors to your website, it might not show up, and it might not process through the DOM. And that's it. And that's how you add custom code to your Webaza website.